Hi everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for dropping by my channel, and thank you so much for all the messages and feedback and the mails that you have been sending me. Please keep continuing your support and love for the channel. And today I'm back here with another pick a card reading for all you people. And this is a reading to let you know what blessings are coming to you, or any surprises that are in store for you. आप किसी भी रिलेशनशिप, किसी भी सिचुएशन जो भी आपको माइंड में है, उसके बारे में सोच सकते हैं. इट्स अ जनरल रीडिंग अबाउट जनरल ब्लेसिंग्स कमिंग टू यू इन एनी सिचुएशन दैट यू आर इन. So before we take the video forward, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and also please comment on the videos. And जितना ज़्यादा आप कमेंट करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा आप चांस आपको मिलता है to send me messages to do general readings for you. If I find your name in 5 videos of mine, in any 5 videos of mine, in comments, I will definitely take a request for doing general video reading for you. So मैंने यहाँ पे 3 piles बनाई हैं. This is pile number 1, the Art of Tarot deck with the amethyst crystal on top. This is pile number 2, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck with the rose quartz crystal on top. And this is pile number 3, the Rider Waite Tarot deck with the black tourmaline crystal on top. You can put the video on hold. आप आराम से अपना टाइम ले सकते हैं, वीडियो को पॉज करके देख सकते हैं. Which pile is calling you, which pile is appealing to you. You can choose the stones, you can choose the pile, anything that is the cards, anything that makes you feel that it is meant for you, it is calling you. Try and tap into the energies of these piles. जितना ज़्यादा आप अपना क्वेश्चन या अपनी सिचुएशन को इन पाइल्स के साथ कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश करेंगे, उतना ज़्यादा आपको हेल्प मिलेगा टू get accurate answers from these readings. Also, please remember these are general readings, so some of the things may resonate with you, some of things may not. So जो भी आपके साथ resonate करे, please take that and you can leave the rest. Also, I have mentioned the timestamps in the description below. I'll see you at your pile. Let's see what is in store for people, what blessings are coming your way for people who've chosen pile number 1, the Art of Tarot deck. What are the blessings coming to you? People who have chosen pile number 1, हो सकता है आपकी लाइफ में कोई किसी तरह का बर्डन, किसी तरह की चाहे फाइनेंशियल बर्डन, चाहे रिलेशनशिप में बर्डन, हो सकता है आपने बहुत एफर्ट्स डाले हैं किसी पार्टनरशिप को लेकर के, या आप कंफ्यूज्ड हैं इस पार्टनरशिप को में आगे बढ़ने के लिए, वेदर अ रिलेशनशिप पार्टनरशिप और अ बिजनेस पार्टनरशिप और एनीथिंग. इट कुड बी अ सिंपल फ्रेंडशिप ऑल्सो. सो ये आपका जो भी बर्डन है, जो भी आपको चीज़ तंग कर रही है, दिस इज सून गोइंग टू फेड अवे. एंड आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी, आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ love coming back into the relationship, especially people who have chosen this pile for relationship. Also, I see financial problems या financial burdens जिन लोगों के हैं, soon it's all going to just fade away, and the universe is going to just give you abundance of positivity or whatever you require. Also, एक बहुत clear चीज़ है that whatever this burden is, whatever it is, आपको बस ये लग रहा होगा that मैं इस चीज़ से बाहर निकलूँ और कोई न्यू चीज़ मेरी लाइफ में आए, और प्लीज़ समथिंग पॉजिटिव. सो द कार्ड्स आर वार्निंग यू एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम दैट डोंट जस्ट गेट इन टू अ न्यू थिंग ताकि आप डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाए इस प्रॉब्लम से या इस स्ट्रगल से या इस स्लो मूविंग वट एवर दीज आर जनरल रीडिंग. सो हर चीज़ will be different for other people, it's to each its own. But whatever the major problem that you are facing at this point in time, do not distract yourself just for the sake of temptation or just for the sake of getting away, because फिर आप बहुत disturbed हो जाएंगे आने वाले टाइम में. The universe is definitely here to solve these problems. Soon I see your relationship in a very positive, in a very abundance of love kind of a scenario. Also, again, like I said, finances, education, anything that is on your mind, any confusion regarding relationships or partnerships, it's soon going to just fade away, and you just need to be very focused at this point in time. अपनी energies, अपनी attention को एक ही चीज़ के अंदर लगा दीजिए and see how you get the results. जो भी pending tasks हैं, maybe some task at hand, some job, anything that's on your mind, just don't jump into it for the sake of it. You need to just think, you need to get back your focus. Also, just again, in any partnership, like I said, I see everything moving in the right direction for you. I see you getting the best of everything in a package, but it's very clear that you need to weigh the pros and cons, whether it is a relationship, whether it is a financial deal, whether it is a partnership, it is a business venture, it could be a new job, anything on those lines. It could be a new project. You just have to think before just jumping into this, before just venturing into this new thing. आपको बस अपनी pros and cons को बहुत अच्छे से weigh करना है, and also just think that you are not forsaking anything, या किसी चीज़ को साइड रख के तो आप अपनी लाइफ में न्यू चीज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं ना. यू जस्ट नीड टू beware of taking any sudden decision. You just need to relax and then take any kind of a new decision, anything new for you. But yes, the cards are definitely promising you that you are going to soon be blessed with whatever you desire, the best of everything, the best of all the worlds. People who've chosen this file for relationships, for love, for finances, स्पेशली फाइनेंसेस, एनीथिंग दैट आपकी लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम चल रही है और यू नीड फाइनेंशियल हेल्प, कोई लोन नहीं पास हो रहा और समथिंग, जस्ट रिलैक्स, जस्ट वेट फॉर सम टाइम. बट अगेन, आपको कोई सामने से ऑफर दे रहा है, यू कैन नॉट जस्ट जंप इन टू दिस. यू रियली नीड टू थिंक, यू नीड टू रिलैक्स, काम योर माइंड. यू कांट ट्रस्ट पीपल blindly. People who've chosen this particular pile, you really need to focus, you need to gather the courage that you are the only one who's responsible for anything that happens in your life. So whatever decision you take, whatever you plan, has to go on with full focus, full attention, no distractions, no temptations at this point in time, and rest. The universe is here to bless you. The Almighty is definitely here. I do see divine intervention coming in your life in any situation that you are in. So just relax, stay calm and focused, and rest. The universe is here to bless you. So I hope the reading was resonant with people who chose pile number 1. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comments section. Also, you could please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and do comment on the videos. Thank you so much for dropping by my channel once again, and I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Take care and stay safe. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck. What blessings are coming for you? People who've chosen pile number 2, at this point in time, maybe आपको लग रहा होगा that there is no balance in life, and maybe there's some kind of a stress, there is some kind of a, आपकी expectations हो सकता है hurt हुई हैं, या आपने किसी के ऊपर ज़्यादा ही pressure डाल दिया है, and things have come down with a down, like they've just come down with a bang. Especially people who are in relationships, maybe you are having a tough time in your relationship at this point in time. जितना भी आपने effort डाला, you've not got the results for that. So soon I see balance coming back in your life, especially when it comes to relationships. I see you and your person together, and it's very clear in the cards that you and your person are going to be together. This relationship is a positive one. I do see this partnership going a long way, और आपके और आपके person के बीच में जो भी problems हैं वो soon बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाएंगी. Thanks within the next 28 days for a lot of you. The universe will just help you to set these things right. आपको बहुत सब कुछ एक प्लेटर पे मिलेगा टू जस्ट एग्जीक्यूट योर प्लान. सो वेदर एनीथिंग इज स्टक, वेदर अ रिलेशनशिप इज स्टक, वेदर योर वर्क इज स्टक, एनी वेंचर इज स्टक, सब कुछ soon things will be on the platter for you, and you just have to execute your plans. अपना दिमाग लगाना है. You will be blessed with the positivity, you will be blessed with the brain, you will be blessed with the best ideas that you need at this point in time. I do see कि अभी बहुत stagnancy, अभी बहुत slow motion में चीज़ें चल रही हैं, but soon everything is just going to fall into place for people who've chosen pile number 2. Also, it's very clear that the angel gods are here and are very powerful to just bestow the best luck, or very, very good luck on you, people who've chosen pile number 2. So good luck is on your side. That's the biggest blessing that you can ask for. You are surrounded by extremely exceptional and wonderful angels who are watching you and are protecting you. So आपको हर पॉइंट पे गाइडेंस मिलती रहेगी थ्रू द एंजल्स ओवर हियर. सो जस्ट you yourself also have to be in this attitude of gratitude. आपको अपने अराउंड एक बहुत पॉजिटिव ऑरा क्रिएट करनी है. प्लीज रिमेंबर, लर्न टू ओवरकम एंगर. लाइक आई सेड इन द बिगिनिंग, मे बी आपने अपने पर्सन के ऊपर बहुत प्रेशर डाला है, मे बी आपकी वजह से प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हो गई हैं इन एनी थिंग. इट कुड बी अ रिलेशनशिप, आपने अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ के ऊपर, अपने वर्क में, अपने पेयर्स, कोलीग्स के ऊपर कोई ऐसा प्रेशर डाला है wherein things have just come down with a bang, there's a lot of stress, so you need to overcome your anger. You need to remember that you have to be in a very positive aura which will attract people towards you, and I do see everything that you desire fulfilling very soon according to the cards. Also there is guidance coming your way. Everything is, आप जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला कि you will be given everything and you just have to play your cards very well. You just have to execute the plans very well, whether it's your work, whether it's your relationship, anything that is on your mind in your situation. The universe will guide you. It will take you in that direction which you are meant to be. So any feelings that आपके अगर आपके अंदर इस situation से अभी walk away करने की feeling आ रही है because you're hurt, you're disheartened, maybe आपकी expectations have been not fulfilled, you know, or have been hurt, so just hang on in this position for some more time. I do see new beginnings on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 2. And also remember that this is a point in time wherein soon people who are in jobs, who are, you know, career related businesses, I do see increments, I do see promotions, I do see increase in your salary or your status, anything that's on your mind. Just do not be self-centered at this time. हर किसी को अपने साथ लेके चलिए. Think about everybody as a whole. Like I said, again I'm repeating that whoever is working with you, whoever is in your relationship, anything, family life, friends, your colleagues, you need to take them all as a whole with you. Do not be self-centered, and you need to be extremely compassionate and sensitive at this point in time towards the need of others, because the angels are watching over you. They are here to protect you, so you need to play your part of being very compassionate and be in an attitude of gratitude. People who've chosen pile number 2, rest, I see everything happening for you the way you want it to happen. So it's just a matter of time. And again I'm repeating, people who've chosen this pile for relationships, this is your time. Your relationship is here to flourish. Maybe for a lot of you, marriage, engagement is on the cards. The way you want it to be planned, it will happen. But do not have any kind of negativity. Do not be in a position of anger. You need to learn to overcome anger. That's what the miracle cards are also guiding you. So I hope the reading was resonant with people who chose pile number 2. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comments section. Please like, subscribe, and share my page too. And I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Thank you so much once again. Take care and stay safe. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3, the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. What's in store for you? What blessings are coming towards you? People who've chosen pile number 3. People who've chosen pile number 3, especially if you are, in a relationship and you and your person are not on talking terms, or have had some kind of an argument, some kind of confusion, and you are longing for a patch up, then this pile is meant for you. I definitely see this patch up coming through very soon. I see you and your person together. I see you both together in a wonderful partnership once again. Your hard work will pay off very soon. Keep putting in efforts. Even though अगर आपको अभी लग रहा है कि you are not getting the efforts, आप इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं लेकिन efforts आपको नहीं मिल रहे हैं, be just a little patient and be just keep doing your hard work. थोड़ा और extra मेहनत कर लीजिए at your work, in your professional front, and I do see you getting extremely wonderful rewards. Also, the universe is definitely, warning you against mistrust and jealousy. And, you could be in a position wherein you will be getting a lot of financial gains, a lot of monetary gains, या फिर a lot, whatever you desire, whatever is on your mind. And like I said, people who've chosen pile number 3, relationships को लेके, I do see you and your person again patching up and having a wonderful time. So please remember that you need to beware of people who are negative. You need to stay away from people who are involved in gossip or any kind of ill feelings for others or for anybody. So jealousies and negativity से please दूर रहिएगा. Also, again, do not accept anything blindly, or do not just listen to anybody blindly. There might be people who might try and create problems for you, problems for your person, or general आपके work पे, anywhere they might create problems. So you need to remember that you have to listen to both the situations. You need to listen to both sides of whatever the story, and weigh the pros and cons before taking any decision. But let me assure you that whatever the universe is going to bless you with in any situation that you are in, you will be extremely content and happy. I see a wonderful time coming your way, people who've chosen pile number 3, in terms of family life, in terms of, relationships with friends, family, relatives, bonds getting stronger. Whether any situation that you are in today, maybe you are in a very struggling situation, whether at work, whether in relationships, whether at home, maybe you have you are in a health scenario, a health crisis, or you are facing some kind of health issues. Soon you will be blessed by the universe and given whatever is due to you. Financial gains coming your way, financial help coming your way. Women who've chosen pile number 3, a wonderful time for you to save as well as generate finances, if that was, if that's on your mind. And I'm again repeating, people who've chosen pile number 3, this is a wonderful time for you to just, financially strengthen yourself. If you need that financial help, if you need a loan, if you need to save, this is the time for you. The next 2.5 months are definitely the right time for you to save your finances and grow them, and also get any kind of help you want. I'm again repeating, people who've chosen pile number 3, a wonderful time for women. Also for people who want to plan a family, couples who are wanting to plan a family, this is the right time. The universe is blessing you with this gift. So make the most of this time. And it's a wonderful time for you to nurture your relationships, to nurture your work, to nurture your business. Just feel confident, be more energetic. And also your yin and yang will be balanced. This is a wonderful time for balance coming back in your life. Any issues that are disturbing you at this point in time will be settled very soon or will be concluded. Intervention from well-wishers will also help you to resolve your problems. I'm also repeating, like what I said in the beginning, even the miracle cards are definitely repeating that you need to be extremely cautious and beware of who you are telling your plans to, your ideas to. Please be discreet about your new projects and ideas. आपको कुछ भी share नहीं करना है. People who've chosen pile number 3, you have to be extremely personal about your new ideas, business ventures, plans, relationships. Also, everything here is improving. Relationships as well as your professional and personal front is improving. Also communication is the key. So अगर कोई भी problem है, like I said in the beginning that I do see कि आपके और आपके person के बीच में कुछ issue हुआ है, people who've chosen pile number 3 for relationships. So please communicate. It is very important for you to communicate with your person. Communication is the key. Soon I see your social status getting elevated. I see success on the cards for people being who've chosen pile number 3. Success is going to be highlighted for you people who've chosen pile number 3. So make the most of this time. And again, I'm repeating, please be cautious of any new events, new ideas. You need to understand that you need to stay away from people who gossip, who are negative. And you cannot share your success or you cannot share your plans with everybody who's there in your life. You need to be very discreet. So I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave your comments and feedback in the comments section. Please do comment on my channel. You definitely will get a chance to get a free video reading, a general reading done from me as a video. And please like, subscribe and share my channel too. Thank you so much once again for dropping by my channel. I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Take care and stay safe.